hopefully annual Trossen Robotics lamp competition. We're going to auction off all of the R&D stuff that we've made throughout the year. Everyone's going to get 1,000 Trossen Bucks. So you see something you really want, go hard for it. 7. Right here, 125. Lady. Thank you. You want to do this again?
No.
150. That's a very good score. 200. Raise your damn paddles.
75. 105.
305.
310. What was the last one?
350.
400.
400.
This is Trossen. Price is in Trossen Bucks. It's 1,300 Trossen Bucks. And then this is click at the top for when you want to be vaguely reminded of that Miata you saw with an ungodly large spoiler. Do note that all the catalog prices are valid until at least December 12th, 2026. See page 0 for more details.
Trossen Robotics, helping innovators innovate.